It's our first time to the new bird park at Mandai and we are so excited. Last time, we actually came here to check out this waterfall outside the parks, but today we are going in. It's 9 AM and we are all praying and hoping that it will be a day of perfect weather. Just a bit of sun, clear skies, some clouds, but no rain. Are we asking for too much? The walkway to the Bird Paradise entrance is lined with eateries, so if you have not taken breakfast, you might find something here. There's Old Chunky if you are looking for something local, but please expect a more premium pricing. Otherwise, if you are taking the shuttle buses from Khatib MRT, just pop by the coffee shops opposite the station. There are lots of affordable and yummy options there. For ticket purchasing, it will be better to purchase online at the Mandai website for convenience. Here's the pricing. For tourists, you might want to check out travel deal platforms such as Klook. Quite a large portion of the park has these covered walkways, providing much needed relief from the sun. We are walking over to the Sky Amphitheatre to catch the Wings of the World show. If you want to save your walking for later, you can also take the free tram from the entrance to the central plaza where the amphitheatre is located. Egg Splash is just beside the amphitheatre. Parents with little kids, don't forget to pack swimsuits because it comes free with the entrance tickets. We joined as part of an event today, so there's a special time slot open for the show just for the event participants. You can set showtime reminders on the Mandai app. Highly recommended that you download the app for your layout. Because there are other useful functions within the app, such as tips on what to discover, where to shop and dine, the showtime reminder and schedule, and an interactive map that tracks where you are.
There we go. So if you're wondering what goes on from the inside, just take a look at the screen. The screen, yes. What do we have on the screen? Lashes. So these eyelashes help to protect your eyes when they are flying through the dense vegetation. Now right click.
The Crimson Wetlands replicates the coastal wetland habitats of Latin America. This is the only aviary in Bird Paradise that is entirely beamless within. Some of the birds you'll find in here will be the American flamingo and military macaw. tallest waterfall in bird paradise, standing at 20 meters. It is inspired by the waterfalls of San Juan River in Costa Rica. The Amazonian jewels landscape is inspired by the untamed rainforests of Central and South America. You will find birds like the crimson-bellied parakeet and saffron toucanet here. This kids play area is in the center of the zones, in the area called Central Plaza. It's right beside Shuttle Station 2 and the food court. For parents with kids, this place is definitely a must go. The kids had so much fun jumping on the trampolines. We spent about an hour here. The good thing is, the food court with the most food variety in Bird Paradise is also beside the playground. The Ocean Network Express Penguin Cove features one of the world's largest sub-Antarctic cold saltwater habitats for penguins. No. It's a pity we were rushing for time, so we did not manage to cover the entire bird paradise. If you are out of ideas on where to bring your family this Christmas, you can give the bird paradise a try. There are Christmas events going on, plus lots of attractive card promotions with up to 60% off admission, thanks to SG60. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.